Insulation measurement with PV-ISOTEST. From the menu, select insulation and confirm with enter. So the instrument can perform the testing in two modes. The first mode is dual mode, where the instrument measures insulation in a sequence between the positive pole and the earth reference, and between the negative pole and the earth reference of PV modules, strings and fields. We have also the timer mode, where the instrument measures continuously with a maximum ratio of 99 seconds between terminal N and earth reference, displaying the minimum resistance value obtained at the end of the selected time. In this way, the instrument also calculates the DIR, the dielectric absorption ratio, and the PI, polarization index parameters, if the test duration is enough to calculate that parameters. So, now we can select the voltage test. In this case, we are selecting 1500 volts because our voltage, nominal voltage, is about 1500 volts. As you can see from the voltage between P-N, we have 1480 volts. And we have also the voltage between positive and earth and negative and earth. Here we can select the limit set by 1 megohm, and now we can perform the test by pressing the go stop for at least 2 seconds. The instrument is performing the test between the positive pole and earth, applicating this voltage. Okay, as you can see, the instrument switched to the negative pole. Now it's doing a second measurement. We are performing the last measurement. Okay, as you can see, the result is very good because we have an insulation between each pole respect to the Earth system of 20 megohms. So the result is okay. And now we can just save the data by pressing save. We can add some markers as plant string modules, and we can, by the arrow keys, moving and selecting the number. Then we can save the data. Data saved. At this point, we can see on the memory the data saved and recall it. As you can see, this is the test just performed, or we can download it and check it by PC with our software top view.